Got a big trip but a small suitcase? You're not alone. Packing for travel can feel like a puzzle, especially when you want to bring your favorite outfits, shoes, and all those just-in-case extras. But don't worry, because today, I'm going to show you how to fit more than you ever thought possible into that tiny carry-on. Stressed about overpacking? Watch this giant pile of clothes magically fit into this carry-on, with room to spare. No more sitting on your suitcase or fighting with the zipper. These hacks will save you time, space, and a whole lot of stress. Here's how you can do it too. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a first-time traveler, these tips will change the way you pack forever. Alright, let me show you the #1 rule for packing. Stop folding, start rolling. Rolling your clothes isn't just satisfying, it actually compresses everything and fights off those major wrinkles. Plus, it makes it so much easier to see what you've packed at a glance, so you're not digging through a messy pile every morning. Try it on t-shirts, jeans, and all your casual pants. Just take a shirt, roll it super tight, and compare it to one that's folded. Rolling saves you a ton of space. Remember, roll, don't fold. You'll be amazed at how much more you can fit, and your clothes will come out looking fresh, not crumpled. Ready to level up? Packing cubes are your new best friend. Group similar items together, shirts in one cube, pants in another. Not only do they keep your clothes organized, but they also make unpacking at your destination a breeze. Just pull out a cube and you're set. Not only do they keep your suitcase organized, but they also compress your clothes even more. Just zip them up, and you've got tidy little blocks to work with. It's like turning chaos into order instantly. And if you're traveling to multiple places, you can just grab the cube you need without unpacking everything. Now for the real magic, pack your suitcase like it's Tetris. Start with the heavy stuff. Put your shoes and the packing cubes near the wheels. This keeps your suitcase balanced and makes it easier to roll through airports or city streets. Place shoes along the edges, sole to sole, and use shower caps or bags to keep things clean. And here's a bonus. Stuff those shoes with socks or chargers. It's the perfect way to use up that awkward space and keep your shoes from getting squished. You're using every inch of space, just like a pro. Think of your suitcase as a puzzle. Every item has its place, and when you pack smart, you'll be surprised at how much you can fit. But don't stop there. Fill the gaps. Tuck a rolled-up belt inside your shirt collar. This not only saves space, but also helps your collar keep its shape, so you look sharp when you arrive. Roll up underwear, cables, and other small bits, and slide them into every corner and cranny left. Treat every empty space like hidden storage. Even things like sunglasses, jewelry, or a travel-size lint roller can fit into those little pockets of space. Don't forget about your toiletries. Use small, leak-proof bottles and pack them in a Ziploc bag. Squeeze out the air before sealing to save even more space and prevent spills. And there you have it. A perfectly packed suitcase that closes with zero stress, no more wrestling or sitting on it just to zip it up. You'll breeze through security and be ready for anything your trip throws at you. You're ready for your next adventure, and you've got space to spare. Maybe you'll even have room for a few souvenirs on the way back. If these packing hacks blew your mind, give this video a huge like. Subscribe to Another How To Guru for more genius tips. Where are you traveling next? Let us know in the comments and share your own packing secrets. Music fades, satisfying zip and click sound. Happy travels, and remember, packing smart means traveling happy.